Here's an ARE HD cap with ladder rack. As you can see, it's got internal supports made out of aluminum, kind of like 80/20, that eat up a lot of space on the sides. This one doesn't have toolboxes. If it did have toolboxes, the space wouldn't be nearly as wasted. And with the bed slide, it limits the height in which you can stack things up because they have to clear those supports. And the ladder rack has a channel in it so you can put accessories on it, but the first support is set too far back from the cab. So it's quite difficult to put anything long on there without risking it hitting the top of your cab.